Hi everyone, how are you guys doing today? This is Shelly and welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing another unboxing. It's a quick one of this item which I ordered, and let me show you what it is. Oops. That didn't work well. Okay. There you go. From this side is much better. Okay. So now I have to say that this is also kind of difficult to get, so I'm really pleased and I'm happy to share with you that I finally got it. Like I said, it's a small item, but I wanted to get it to match a bag of mine. So this is from Louis Vuitton, and it came like this. Let me just see it. And so let me read what it's called officially. Officially, it's okay, it's not very helpful. So let's just go straight to it then. Here it is. So it's inside the dust bag, and this is it. Ta-da! It's the card holder in monogram reverse. Let me have a look quickly. Oh, it's pretty. I love it. Smells good too. There is that little sheet of paper label that they always attach to it. Let me show you quickly. So as you can see, that part here is the reverse side, and the back part is the usual monogram. And if you turn it the other side, it's the other way around. That is the typical monogram, and the inside is the reverse part. There is also still the middle part, which inside is made of leather in black, and the one side says, let me just try to get it out if you can see it. It says Louis Vuitton made in, okay, Louis Vuitton Paris made in France, that one here. It's a little piece of thing which made me really happy, because I already have, or I finally got my pochette métis here, and look at them together. Isn't it just pretty? So it's a little bit of matching for me, which I'm very pleased to get. So yeah, and it's very practical. You just put your essential cards there. You can also just insert it in. Oh, okay, I'll try and figure it out. But I mean, you can put it also in some of your wallets, the bigger ones, of course, that would fit it. And it can even be very practical, because I already tried it with my double zip pochette. That one is also in reverse, so it's also kind of matching, right? And since this one is really a bit small, you can't really put a lot, but that one would be really good. So you can just insert it and still keep the shape, and it's not bulky. Okay, that one here is just the bulk. But today it's the unboxing of the card holder, so let's get back to that. Yeah, so the measurement, I will write it down below, the measurement of that, and that's it. So that's it for today, and I would like to thank everyone for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to hit like, and maybe you also want to subscribe to my channel so that and hit the bell button to be notified when I upload a video. So that is my unboxing today. It's the Louis Vuitton reverse card holder. Thank you for watching, everyone, and I hope to see you guys again soon. Once again, this is Shelly. Bye-bye for now.